Today we are going to discuss the modal verb should, how we use it, where we use it, what are its conditions, what could be its best explanations and examples. So stay tuned to this lecture till the end. Hello everyone, this is Fazal Rabi. I welcome you all to my YouTube English learning channel. Remember, with all modal verbs we use first form of the verb. It is a universal rule. But whenever we use it in the passive, only then the third form of the verb will be used with modals. Now, first condition of using should. For advice and suggestions. For example, we should work hard. Someone has been advised to work hard. You should get a haircut. You should take some medicine. It is recommended for a person by a doctor. You should try the vegetable soup of the new restaurant. The next condition for should is it is used to express obligations politely. For example, they shouldn't do this. They have been restricted from the specific verb. Another condition is it is used for expectations. It is used to express what is expected from someone. For example, she should be here by now. You should get good marks as you work very hard for it. So these all are expectations. In another condition, we use it for conditionals. Should is used in certain situation based on conditions. For example, if I lost my job, I should have no money. If I were you, I should think over it. So in both these sentences, we have conditions. Should be used for objections. When we have an objection over a thing, then we use should in a sentence. For example, why should I bear this loss? Someone is objecting on the loss. Another example, why should I pay for you? Why should they keep the lazy maid? So in all these sentences, we have objections on some things. Now, what will be the condition for should have? Should have is the past undone recommendation. It is used for any work which should have been done but couldn't. Then we use should have in the sentence. We also use third form of the verb with it. For example, you should have gone there. Here the action has not done and it is recommended for this undone work. And we have third form of the verb in the sentence as well. Another example, the students should have completed the task. He should have treated the guests well. In all the above sentences, the recommendations have been made for the work which has not happened in the past. What will we do with it in the passive? In all the passive sentences, we will use be with should. For example, the match should be played. As in passive we use third form of the verb, we also use be when we have should in a sentence. Another example, the mangoes should be bought. Here bought is the third form of the verb. The school should be closed. Again, the third form of the verb has been used. Now, special condition for be. When we have no action verb in a sentence, then we will use be with should as well. For example, you should be an honest person. Here we have no action verb in this sentence. Honest is an adjective here. So when we have no action verb in a sentence, then we will use be with should in the sentence. If you have any confusion in knowing action verbs, then visit the video lecture which I have made. It will clear your concept. The link has been given in the description. This was all in today's lecture. If it has helped, then share it with your dear ones. If it didn't, then do comment us for improvements. Thank you so much.